Okay, Britt, this is how you isolate the spa so you can get a nice, good, hot tub. These valves here, this is the jets and this is the suction. So if to isolate the hot tub or to isolate the spa, you need to turn off the jets to the pool and turn off the suction from the pool. And then this makes a closed loop where all the water getting moved by the pump goes through the heater to your hot tub. This pump needs to be working for the heater to turn on. And right now, your timer is set to run from 9 a.m. to about 4 p.m. So to turn it on, when you're past the time when your pump's actually running, flip this over. To turn on your heater, it's very simple. You open this flap and you click spa on. It'll tell you the current water temperature, and you can adjust the temperature wherever you want it. You just set it to a number and it'll reach that. That sound and the smell of the gas means you're making heat. You can tell by the ripples in the water of the hot tub that there's definitely water flowing through it. And how the pool is calm means that the hot tub is isolated. This setting, these traps will probably lose whatever they collected and it'll float back out into the pool. When you're done with the hot tub, reverse the process. Click heater off. Go ahead and you can turn the pump off, or if it's already running, leave it, and then switch where you're sucking from the pool and you're blowing through your jets in the pool. And now the pool is isolated. And if you wanted to warm the pool up, you could turn it on, pool on, and then lower the temperature down to something that's not a hot tub. These Jandy valves, they can be set in the middle where you're sucking from both sides of the pool and you're blowing through both sets of jets, spa and pool. You can tell that the hot tub is bubbling away and the pool is getting flow. So with these valves, the off position is over here and the open valve is where the handle's at. So the handle points to what's working. So this is handle pointing to pool. In this valve, we are sucking the water from the pool side. And if you want to do both, you point it to the middle, and now it's sucking from the spa and the pool side. And you want to suck from the spa, you come over here, and it's only sucking from the spa, and it is turned off the pool. And when you're done, after hours of your timer, you can turn it off manually. This is the position that the pool guy left your pool, where there's just a little bit of jet going into the hot tub, but all the suction is coming from the pool side. And I guess this is where he wants it to keep the pool nice and clean. I think you could mess with that, some combination of how much jet and suction you want from both, because when we went to the hot tub, it sure did get real silty first time opening this up like that. But anyways, that's too complicated. Forget about that. Just remember, isolate, make sure you have a pump running, make it hot.